Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of a pair of the classic Swarovski Chanel earrings that I got over the Christmas holidays and did not have a chance to open. So I guess we will start with those. Let's see here. So I have both hands to open this. Anyone that knows about the Chanel costume jewelry knows that this is not real gold. It's simply not even gold plated. I'm not sure if it is, but this is the packaging that it comes in. So you can see it's super cute. My sales agent loves putting bows, extra bows on everything for me, which is kind of a nice touch. Maybe they do that everywhere, I don't know. But yes, let's see. There's the little booklet that they come with. And so these are essentially the classic pieces. They are super cute. At least I think so. As you can see, without blurring too much under the light, these really have a lot of shine and bling. Of course, they're trying to replicate diamonds, which they are definitely not. They are simply a Swarovski crystal. But on, I'm sure they're gonna look amazing. And, you know, people say, obviously you could get these for replicas, probably quite inexpensive, but I personally don't like to wear any kind of fake luxury items. Otherwise, I'd rather not wear anything at all. If you can have the real thing, why not? And yeah, I think these are gonna look amazing on. So, and again, I don't really care what anybody thinks or their opinions are about anything. If I like something, I get it. And that's basically how that works. So, yeah. I mean, I'm not sure what else I can say. Obviously, I like the CC initial because it's my initials. So there's actually something even more personal there. And I think these are just going to look, either you can dress up or dress them down. But yeah, if you can see, I'm putting it as close as I can without blurring it. They're really pretty. And the lighting is really good right now. So you can obviously see how they shine. It makes you just want to put them on, you know, even looking at them right now with my bare eye. It's just something that is a very nice piece. I'd like to get these actually made into real diamond earrings. That would be something that I would definitely be interested in doing. Maybe give these ones to my daughter. She can wear these and I'll get a real pair of the diamond ones made. And then they'll really have a nice shine. So I'd have to do an unboxing for those too, no, wouldn't I? Anyways, just wanted to share this piece with you and show you. I'm not sure what these go for. I'm not even sure what I paid for them, as terrible as that sounds, because I paid for them in dirham, and I'm sure most of you are using dollar, pounds, or euro. But I'm sure there were probably a couple $100 US. So, and we all know, being costume jewelry, that these are sold fakes, which the replicas are amazing, I'm sure, as well. But again, I just don't like to wear anything that's fake. I would just rather wear nothing at all, in the sense of, like, I'm a firm believer if you would have to either not have it or wear fake, better to just, I think, wear something that's your own style. You know what I mean? I really detest fake products for some reason. I just think I don't know, something really tacky about it. But that's just my personal opinion. Obviously, not everyone can afford luxury items, and maybe some people really want them. But more focus on how pretty these beautiful sparklers are. You can really see them sparkling now. And I cannot wait to wear these out. Maybe I will make my husband take me out for a nice dinner tonight. It is the weekend. So thank you for watching and tune in to my next videos. Thank you. Bye.